friends, we're talking about outer space, and this one's called I Want to Be an Astronaut. An astronaut is somebody who is in outer space. They wear a spacesuit that keeps them protected. I want to be an astronaut. A member of the crew. Look at all these astronauts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And fly on a shuttle. Look at that. Into outer space. Here's the Earth, and they're way out of Earth. I want to be up there on a space mission. They're working very hard. And have ready-to-eat meals. There's no gravity, so their things float in the sky inside. And sleep in zero gravity, so they can sleep upside down, sideways. I want to put on a spacesuit and walk around in space and help fix a satellite and build a factory in orbit. Here's the Earth, and they're outside of the Earth. I want to be up there a while, then come back to Earth. I just want to be an astronaut and visit outer space. Do you? Bye, friends.